This is a quick overview of what remains in Chapter 2. On Monday, 21st, you'll watch and take notes for Chapter 2, videos 4, 5, and 6. You'll find those with that link taking you to YouTube. You can see here's video 4, here's video 5, and here's video 6. You'll still watch 7 and 8 later in the week. Then start these practice problems from Chapter 2. And those are at the back of the Chapter 2 in the textbook. Do them in your notebook, please. Tuesday, there'll be a live WebEx in the morning at this time. Really welcome everybody that's a distance learner to join us in class. We'll work a lot of these problems in class and check them on an answer key. You also have to memorize these 12 polyatomic ions. And when you click on that list or click on that link, you'll get the list of the 12 polyatomic ions you need to memorize. And notice that they're on page 66 of the textbook right here. These are where most of them are located. Also, they're on the back of your periodic table. Then you should watch and take notes for the rest of the videos from Chapter 2, numbers 7 and 8. And then if you're a distance learner, submit photos of your completed problem set right here. These two videos take a little bit longer to watch, and you'll have to do those outside of class time. On Wednesday, there's a special meeting for distant learners at 10:15 in the morning via WebEx. Please attend so then you can introduce yourself and schedule your exam time for the upcoming exam. The naming and formula writing homework is due that day. That's what you should do in your class time on Wednesday. And there's a live WebEx that I will be doing these naming and writing formula homework problems on Wednesday from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. The naming and formula writing worksheet looks like this. And it's lots and lots of naming and formula writing type problems. And don't forget about these 6 extra ones on the bottom. There are answers down at the bottom that you can check along the way. On Thursday, there's a WebEx during class in the morning for working on the practice test. And then you have to turn in your Chapter 2 video notes that day. And so you have to create a Google document and then share the document so anyone can view. So here's my pretend Google document that I made. Click on the share button right here and make sure that you share it so anyone in ISD 194 right here can view. There's a little pull down right here to make it so anyone with the link can view as well. Just make sure that you make sure everyone can view. And then paste your pictures, and you can insert an image right here this way from your computer. On the iPad, it's just as easy. You just click on it, and it allows you to upload it probably right from your iPad photos. Anyway, get the link to that document, and then paste that document link into this Google form right here. And this is where you paste the Google document address right there, and then click submit, and then you are done with that homework right here of taking videos of your Chapter 2 notes, taking pictures of your Chapter 2 notes. B people that are in class will show your completed practice exam that day. You'll probably get it done in class. And then on Friday is our first exam for the B Thursday, Friday people. There's also a face-to-face quiz of the polyatomic ions. If you're an A or distance learner, you should watch videos that day from Chapter 3. And then Monday, the A group takes the test, and distance learners, you're supposed to have your scheduled test time that day as well. That's the overview of this week.